Hi everyone, I'm Phil from Phil's Train Layout. Today I think what we're going to do is we're going to work on some of the interior details for a couple of these stores. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon for future videos, and I'll be right back and show you what we're going to do. Hi everyone, I'm back. So I'm just going through my my box of printed parts and shelves and all that stuff that I have in the box here, and I'm picking out the way I think each of the stores might be laid out, or in my mind, the way they're going to be laid out. So the Dollar Tree and Max Milk, I had made little counters and everything, and a bunch of shelves, counter and the shelves for the Max Milk, and it's just a variety store. The Singletons, I think I'm just gonna blank out the windows and not really put anything in there. So for the Subway and Phil's Train Layout and Little Caesars, what I've done for those is I have that little fancy counter with the little trays in it, for all the different cuts of meat and all that stuff for making subs. A couple shelves behind, pop machine back there, and a bench to sit on while you're waiting for your sub to be made. Phil's Train Layout, which is me, right here, right there. I have, that's going to be the little layout sitting there, and a bunch of shelves in there for trains and whatnot. And for the Little Caesars, let's see, I have the counter there, pop machine, shelf there for chips, and a couple benches in there just for people to wait. And then I'll light up each one of these stores here and make it all look kind of fancy inside, and have the lit up signs and everything. So now that I've decided how I'm going to have these things kind of situated in there, now I just got to paint them all. So maybe I'll Google what the inside of each of the stores look like and what color the shelves are and whatnot, and I'll paint all those and come back, and I'll probably just end up gluing them to the walls. That's probably the easiest way. And then I've got to paint the walls on the inside as well, so it kind of looks nice. And then I'll have to put some, if there's any space or anything left, then I'll put some posters on the walls and just to liven it up and go from there. So I'm just gonna start grabbing some paints, and I'm gonna start painting a few of these, and then I'll come back and I'll show you my progress. Okay, so I'm doing a little bit of painting. I haven't got a whole lot done, but the inside of the Subway, I've painted that green, and the inside of the Dollar Tree, I've painted that one green. Started painting one of the benches. Started painting it. Started painting the one of the counters for inside the Dollar Tree. Started painting it. Some of these are two-tone, but so I think I'm going to continue on. Just wanted to show you a quick update of actually getting something accomplished here. So what I'm going to do now is Little Caesars and Phil's Train Layout Store. I'm going to paint the interiors of those. The Max Milk, I'm going to paint the interior of that blue. And go from there. So I'll be back when I get a little bit more done. I'll show you what I've done. Hi everyone, I'm back. So I thought I'd give you a quick little update. So I've got some of the items and the shelves and stuff painted. I've got the subway counter inside there and some shelves going on inside Phil's Train Layout. In the Dollar Tree I have the walls painted and the Max Milk painted, and the Dollar Tree sale counter is in place. So all I did is use this all-purpose crazy glue. It has the dab tip on the end, so I just dabbed it on there, and it gives you like 30 seconds to put it in place, and then I just glued everything on there. So what I'm going to be doing here is I printed off some menu signs right here. There's one for Subway and a couple for Little Caesars. So I've printed off a couple menus. The one for Subway is going to go way up in here, right behind the counter on the back wall here. And the one for Little Caesars, as soon as I paint the inside walls, I'm going to be painting them orange. I'm going to have one sign here and the other sign right there, and then the counter, of course, goes across here. But I haven't painted the counter yet, so I won't be able to put that one in yet. So that's everything that I've done here so far, and all I'm going to be doing with these here is I'll just put a little bit of white glue on my finger. I'll just kind of smear it on there a little bit. I'll take that and I'll just stick it to it and put it in place. So I'm going to do the Subway one right now. So we'll see if I can get this to function. So I will be right back as soon as I get that glued in place, and I'll show you what it looks like. So I finished one of the stores completely, and I thought maybe I'd give you just a quick view inside the Subway best I can with the light. So yeah, so far that's the Subway with the posters, the pop cooler there, Subway counter, and the menu sign behind the counter. So, and just a quick little view inside Phil's Train Layout. So I've got all the shelving up that goes around the store, and on this side here is where I'm gonna put the mini, like super mini train layout, so as a display layout. So So that's everything I'm gonna do for tonight. I'm gonna do a little bit more tomorrow night and get a little bit more done, and then I'll update you with the progress. Hi everyone, I'm back. So it's about 24 hours later. It's the next night. I'm doing a little bit more work on the mini plazas. Thought I'd just show you a little bit more of the little bit of details that I'm doing. So these here are the pop coolers that I had printed off on a 3D printer. I just painted the outside of them white. So I have on here, I just went on Google. I printed off just a couple pictures of a cooler and just cut out a little bit of it and just put the paper inside there and just made a pop cooler. So I'll cut out the Coca-Cola sign and I'll just put it on the sign. And just to make sure we're clear, I am no way affiliated with any of these places. I just happen to like them myself, so those are the ones that I used. Just to make sure that that's clear. No, but I do like Coca-Cola and Coca-Cola products. But this is what I'm doing at the moment, just doing some of the fine details. Right there, that's the counter for the Little Caesars. That's going to be going there and there. I've got the walls all painted and everything. Just doing a little bit more detail and finishing up a little bit of the interior work. Just put this all together. When I have a little bit more done, come back and I'll show you what I've done. Hi everyone, I'm back. So I just wanted to give you a quick show. This is all I'm going to do for this video, but I just wanted to give you a quick update of some of the details that I've added into this mini plaza. I'm not going to do anything further on Phil's train layout at the moment, only because these pieces right here are going to fit inside just like that in here, and I'm going to make these into a mini train layout that'll go right inside here just like that, and then you'll be able to look through the window, see a mini train layout sitting there. So I want to do something special with those. I want to really tune in on the detail of that one, just because it's Phil's train layout. So that store, I'm going to finish that one last, but I just wanted to show you some of the detail that I've added inside the store. I've messed with the lighting a little bit because I wanted the light to shine up underneath, just so that you'd be able to see inside the store. So there's Little Caesars. So I've got the menu signs on there, and Little Caesars poster with a bench for people to wait for the pizza to be made, and pop machine and everything else. And then we'll go to the Phil's train layout. It's got the shelving all the way around the sides, and that spot over there, that's going to be where the fancy train layout is going to be. And then the subway. So I've been messing with the light just a little bit because I wanted to make sure that the light went underneath, just so that you could see all the details. So I've got posters up there, the pop machine in the back, the counter with the Subway and the glass shield on the counter right up to there. So that's everything for today. I'm going to sign off right here. I'm going to save that one video for the Phil's train layout where I do that special layout for it, and I will finish these other stores at the same time. As you can see, I started the Dollar Tree. I have the counter in there. I've painted the walls of that one. I'm just going to blank this one out on the windows and just put haircut, just haircutting pictures in the windows of those ones. Yeah, I even have the glazing on the windows now. So all I did there was just cut out a piece and just kind of crazy glued it in there. Well, that's everything for today. I really hope that everybody enjoyed the videos. Please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that bell icon so that you can see my future videos. Again, I do try to make videos at least once a week. Sometimes it's a little bit longer depending on the week, but I do try to put one out every week. Take care, stay safe, and keep modeling.